So once you log in into the system, as an admin, you'll be landing on this sales page. You can easily find on this tab section reports. So can I get any scenario of report you want? Let's say lead with activities or like that.
So recent a lead with any recent activity from a particular CP.
CP. Okay.
Recent activity in last 1 month from and the lead has to be from someone, one of the
Okay.
CPs.
Okay. Okay. From any property portals you are saying, right? Or it
No,
should be only
none,
CP.
only CP.
Okay. Fine.
CP and there has been activity in last 1 month.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. For doing that, you when you click on this reports, you can see variable search bar here and the new report and the new folder. Let's say you are creating a multiple reports, but you want it in one folder. Before creating a report, you need to create a folder, like how we keep our files in Windows in different folders based on the requirement. So what I'll do is I'll create here desk report.
Can the reports be dynamic in nature or are they, matlab, can they be dynamic in nature?
Sir, reports you are asking?
Yeah.
Sir, reports first we will create the reports that will be displayed on the dashboards.
No, I'm saying will they be dynamic in nature?
In a
As
sense,
in, will they be updated whenever we open that particular report? Will it be updated report or will it be an old report?
sir, it will be updated every time.
Okay.
I'm saving the folder. Let me check whether the folder is saved or not. You can see a folder is saved here with a test report folder name. I'm clicking on report. Now, my use case is I want the activities with the leads as well, like leads with activities from past 1 month. Uh, what I'll do is here, I'll search for lead. Let me click next. When you search for lead, when you scroll down, you need to get the leads with activities. So here you found this activities with leads. So the I want to say that here, if you want the lead information especially, not the activities, you need to go with leads report, single leads report. You want the information of activities as well, tasks information as well, you need to go with activities with leads. I clicked on activities with leads. I'm clicking on start report. The moment I clicked on start report, and it will be fetching automatically three fields, which is a subject, first name, last name. As you can see, subject is a field from tasks, which means activities. First name and last name is from leads. And same you can find here, activity information as a one section. If you scroll it down, activity custom info in another section. These are and all will be a leads information. You can see lead general. Lead general notates that these are the fields of leads. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying the filter first. I'm going to filters. I'm clicking on show me. I'm clicking on all activities. When you are creating a report first time, you need to turn on this toggle button, which you can see update preview automatically. When you are doing a report, it will automatically updates the information that are viewing here. So what I'll do is i'm I'll select my created date. If you are going with a certain date, you can select the from and to date. But as you said, it will be a month. What I'll do is I click on this range. When I click on this range, the values appears here as a drop down. You can see current financial quarter and next financial quarter, current calendar year, current calendar year, previous calendar year. Same as you can see calendar quarter here. I'll go down. You can see calendar month. I'll select this month. So this is the month or last month you want?
Month.
This month only, right? So have you raised any? I can't able to open the chat here. If you can.
No, 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 that was my mistake.
Okay. I have selected here this month. I'm applying it. Now, whatever you see on this page, these are refreshed with this month now. What I'll do is I'll add the lead. This is a lead ID. Let me add the name instead of lead ID. That will be view. इसमें जैसे टावर टू में नहीं है टावर टू में तो फिर या तो इसका फिर आप चेंज कर जो सुडो मैक्स प्रॉपर्टीज है सबका नाम I'll add lead
It's
state.
getting too many noises.
So give me 1 minute. So is it clear now? Better?
It's the same someone else who's right next to you is talking about some other thing.
So 1 minute. So is it better now?
Sure.
Yeah. I have added lead status as one field. I'll be adding some more fields here. Let me take customer name.
CP, not customer name.
Okay. Sir, let me run it. There is no CP. Okay. Sir, for finding a particular CP, let me go into one of the lead record where the CP exists. I'll take that particular name and define this report. I'll just apply a filter. Customer CP not equal to null. I'll take this lead. This lead created date is 7th. So as we have some of the records here with the CP does not exist. CP exists in this record, and the CP name is Madhuri Test 3. I'll be selecting the same data here as well, like from 7th month of 2023. I have selected the correct. Okay. Okay. Same I'll be applying here, not equal to null. There are no values. Why? So I got three tasks which are having a CP to it, tag to it.
So, say if I want to check any lead which was uh, created 90 days before,
Okay.
can
So
I do that?
yeah, you can do that, sir. Same. You need to select the range of it. You can see here last 90 days as a one option, last 60 days one option, last 30 days as one option. It will be up to 120 like this. If you apply the filter here
I want leads above 90 days,
above 90 days, let's say coming 90 days, you are asking.
not coming above. It's been more than 90 days that I created an X lead.
Okay, then you can select this next 90 days.
Not next 90 days. Say I created a lead in January 2023.
Okay.
I want to know how many leads did I create in January 2023.
Okay. Then it will be a custom date here, sir. You need to select the date.
I'm not talking about custom date. I want any lead which was created 90 days before.
So that comes up with last only, right?
Yeah, but then this is last 90 days under last 90 days. I want before that.
So one minute.
Not in recent, not in last 90 days. I want leads before that.
Sir, can I get a one more scenario here? Let's say if I'm creating a report today, right? That will be a 31/7/2023. Before 90 days, I'll be able to get this leads like this.
No, I meant if I've entered a lead today,
Hmm.
after 90 days, I want to know how many leads were created today or XYZ. It'll be leads created 90 days before today.
Hi Shreji, this is Dhara this side.
Yes, Dara.
How are you doing?
Good.
So, sorry, we are actually a little confused here, right? So we'll just take a step back and we'll look at a scenario, right? When we are talking about leads in the last 90 days, so हम क्या बोल रहे हैं कि suppose if today is 30.
लीड 90 डेज के पहले क्रिएट किया हुआ है. लास्ट 90 डेज में नहीं क्रिएट किया हुआ, 90 डेज के पहले क्रिएट किया हुआ है.
So basically, we are talking about leads before May, right? Technically, if we talk about July as of today, so we don't want leads in July, we don't want leads in June, we don't want leads in May. We want it before that, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So in that case, you will have to customize here. Okay. Either you put the date like created date and put a custom date which is starting, maybe you add a start date and then you add a end date, maybe
But
30th of
then,
April.
so I'll have to create this report every day if it's
Right,
custom.
correct. Or what you can do is that there is a different way also to do it, but it's a little complicated. So as of now, I am putting a created date filter which is all time. Okay. On top of it, we are going to add a filter. Let's say created date less than. Then you'll have to put a date actually, which is before 1st May. So then your leads would come all time but less than 1st of May. This is one way to go about it.
But then that's again a custom date.
Yeah, that would be a custom date because आपका जो relative dates आता है, so if you see the relative dates options that we have, it will always talk about greater than yesterday, last week, next 30 days, right? अगर मैं बोलूँगी कि if I want to write like something which is before 90 days, right? I am not sure whether the system will be able to take in
Can
that.
I can I put in last 120 days and not equal to
Yeah,
last
yeah,
90 days?
yeah, that you can put. So we can put like
Equal to 120 last 120 days and not equal to last 90 days.
that you can put, but you'll have to put a filter logic. So in that case, if you're saying ki I want leads which fall in the bracket of 120 to 90 days, right?
Yes.
It will be less than, right? Created date is less than last 120 days, and then I want
Greater than.
this is wrong. So this will be greater than. So we'll have to see with the data whether the right data is coming up or not, right?
No, currently we are having only 10 leads. That's
Oh,
why.
we have in is it production? Okay. So, Shreji, we'll have to put like a condition here, and then probably we'll have to write
Sure.
filter logic basically. So, यहाँ पे it would be, it would be 2 or 3, right? Greater than last 120 days. No, it's and only. So, आपको operators add करने पड़ेंगे based on the result that you're looking at.
Sure.
Probably I would suggest you to try this on Sandbox first, because I think Sandbox has like really old data since the time we started implementing. So if we execute the same scenario there, we'll be able to identify whether this works or not.
Okay.
Over to Rohit.
Sir, I hope you are clear at reports, right? That is of adding filters. If you want to add it in different fields, let's say I want to add a different fields to it. Let me get the data here. As of now, I'm deleting to get the data. Sir, do I need to admit it, or it might be getting an echo again? Sir, can you confirm whether I need to admit or not? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are. Yeah, you can admit.
Okay. Sir,
Yes, please.
that is of adding filters here and getting a report based on our requirement of dates and all. I'm just taking out this. So I got this 5 leads. So I want the data again for lead status and all. Let me put a loud noise here. Else, let me take one report. Let's take this project with opportunity record report, which is already set up in this system. For every report, that if you want to download it in Excel sheet, on the report itself, you can able to see this drop down, right? Beside the edit button, you can able to see this drop down. When you come down to the fourth point, it will be a export option. Click on export and you can download it. Every report you can download it with this and open in your Excel. This is of downloading a report. I got this report like this. If you want to download it in CSV style, click on export again, click on details only. It will be a expo Excel format, and there's a encoding of different styles here. And if you want it into delimited, you can also do that. Just you need to select the appropriate type you want and click on export. When you click on export, a file will be downloaded and it will be stored into download section. So now I'm taking this report to display on the dashboard. Every dashboard, that first we need to prerequisite of displaying records on a dashboard. We need to create a report however we want. Then we need to display it on dashboard. I'm opening one dashboard, or else let's go with a new dashboard. Click on new dashboard and you can label your dashboard name. It's my private dashboard. You can select the folder. If you select private dashboards folder, it will be viewed by only you, not to others. If you select other folder, let's say event dashboard, you can give the access. Whoever have the access of dashboard and the report, they'll be getting access to view this dashboard. I just entered my label and my storing permission and clicked on this dashboard. The dashboard looked like this. Everything is blank here. You just need to select this plus icon. Just select the plus icon, and that plus, when you click on plus icon, it will be opening the reports folder. Right, you can see various list views again here. All reports, public reports, private reports, and you can view all the folders as per the folder as well. What I'm doing here is I'm just selecting one report, project with opportunity, selecting here. Now I need to do it some designing part. I need to wave this report in a different style. Let's say you can select this view, this one, six projects. Based upon the report style, dashboard style you want, you need to use that report and make a designing of a dashboard. What I'll do here is I'll just take this, whereas it displays a right projects also. If you come down, you can see the record sliced by project name. You can It helps in different styles of creating a dashboard. If you click on percentages, you can see the percentages here. If that is a 5 of 100% of 5, then that will be a different project again, which will be listed here as well. Let's say Purti Iris is one project. Down you can see Purti group as another project, let's assume. So like this, you need to view the dashboards, and the component theme also you can do it. It is nothing but a background. If you type as dark, it will be dark, and if you want to view the dashboard in light, it will be light. I'll just add it. When you have designed all the things by using the report, you need to place that in a dashboard. When everything is over, you just need to click on save. Now the dashboard is saved with this particular requirement. You need to place it on a home page. To place it on a home page, you need to, as admin, you will be getting access called edit page here. You need to click on edit page. Once you click on edit page, as it is a lightning page, it takes time of 1 minute to 2 minutes. It will be giving the results. So here you need to search for dashboard. Once you click on dashboard, the results comes down like this. You need to drag the dashboard here. Once you drag the dashboard on the page layout, on your right hand side, it will be asking for you to select the dashboard, which dashboard I need to show it to the other users. As I have created one dashboard called my private dashboard, I'll be selecting this. I'll be saving it. I'm going back. Once you save it, the dashboard will be visible like this on a home page, where the other users can refresh the dashboard. If they have the dashboard access, they can open it. But as admin, the admin only will get the access of these things. Now, other users, they can't get this. They can view the dashboards just like that. So, any questions of creating a dashboard or placing it on a home page?
No.
As it is a production, I'm just removing of this dashboard. I'm saving this. I'll be stopping this recording for reports and dashboards.